Hey good people, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for being here and thanks so much for all of you subscribe, and even you are watching the video and you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe. Today guys, I'm going to show you my second idea for dinner, so enjoy the video. Guys, I have my kienyeji chicken here. This is pure kienyeji. I'm going to boil it to make the soup, also to soften it. I'll add in the onion, these 2 chopped onions, and this is the tomato paste sauce. I'll show you how to make it, and I'll add salt and water. I cover and let it boil. After 1.5 hours of boiling, the soup is ready. Okay, I'm going to add in the coriander. And then I cover. You see the soup? It's ready. I have potatoes. I've cut them into half. I'm going to fry the potatoes in oil. After 4 minutes, the potatoes are ready. Now, I'm going to add oil, like 2 tablespoons, to avoid the onions sticking in the sufuria. You see, just a little bit of oil. Go in with onion, 2 chopped onion. I'll add salt. And then this is mixed oregano and garlic powder. I'll also add in paprika. I mix well. Then I'll add tomatoes. I'm using 4 tomatoes. I cover and let the tomatoes are ready. I'll add the chicken. I cover. It looks nice. I've added 1 cup of water. It looks really nice. I cover. And now guys, I mix well, and I have a secret ingredient, and do you know what it is? Cassava flour. This is cassava flour to thicken the soup. It's smelling nice, guys. Now here guys, I'll add the roasted potatoes. The roasted mix nicely but gently. How do you see it? It really looks nice. It really looks nice, and it is smelling so nice. I cover and I will add coriander, and my dinner is ready guys. It looks really nice. I know, and it's smelling nice. I hope you have enjoyed the video guys. and today and today before I say bye bye, I want to give two shout outs. I'll give it to Evie's channel, my sister, and Fantech Kenya Limited. Thank you guys for always watching my videos. I really appreciate. Bye bye.